That's an interesting question. When I first started quite a while ago, we won't go into how many years ago, there was a standard thing of for every performance criteria and performance, there wasn't even performance evidence at that stage. I can't remember what it was called. You needed a question and answer. And there's been a realization that you don't need a question and answer for everything because it goes on the strength of your evidence. So my practice is that for performance evidence, performance requirements, as much as possible, should be demonstrated practically. And you've got to look at the verbs, and the verbs, unless the verbs say identify, where you can look at something in a photo, you need to act out the verbs. So that's probably been the biggest changes in understanding on how to do that, but also to understand that if you've got really good evidence, then you don't need a question. And if you have a question there, I think people trip themselves up because they see a question, they go, oh, I've got something ticked in that box and they're mapping, and they think they're okay. But the question really would go more to learning than to demonstrating competence. So that's probably my biggest observation of change. And what it's done is made assessments much easier for both assessors and for participants being assessed.